This is cabin 108 here on deck 11. This is considered a spacious ocean view. Now, this is right next to one of the other ocean views we looked at, and you can see the difference. We'll go all the way up here to the front. You have a nice view watching the world come at you. There's a couple of chairs right here to sit and watch. A nice sofa. Across from the sofa, you have a mini fridge, some drawers, teapot, desk area with plenty of power, 2 US, 2 USB, and 1 European lighted mirror. You have 2 closets, one on this side, one on that side. This one is very long, so you can do double hanging. This one, not as much. You're safe in there, okay? And there's some storage and cubbies above the bed. Bed is either a king or 2 twins, depending however you want to have it. And across from the bed is your TV. Down at this end, of course, is our bathroom. And I've got a corner shower here. Toilet's in a great place for someone my height at 6'4", but it might be a little bit tight if you're a little on the fluffy side. But for me, not too bad. Vessel sink, 3 shelves, power, nice mirror, some shelves down there on the bottom for storing stuff, everything you need. And remember, this is a spacious ocean view, and we looked at one on the corner, and it was like twice this size. Same cabin category. Let me know which one you'd rather have. Ciao.